Okay, so I just had so many people asking me about Essential Rewards when I posted all of the stuff that we got for free this month. So I thought I would do a quick video and talk a little bit about Essential Rewards. It is one of my favorite reasons that I love Young Living. It's amazing. You basically get sent a box of your favorite things every month, and they reward you for doing that. So you sign up for Essential Rewards, you choose what you want in your box every month. So I just go into my account and basically choose what we need. Oils, cleaning products, makeup, hair and beauty, supplements. Literally, there's so many options of different things that you can choose from. So you just select all of the things that you want. They mail it to your house. And then two awesome things happen. So for one, they give you rewards points back to your account for how much you spend. So it works like the first 3 months, you get 10% back. And then after that, you get 20% back. And then after a certain period of time, you get 25% back. So basically, if you spend $100, you'll get $10 back in your first 3 months. And then if you spend $100 and you're in month 4, then you'll get $20 back to your account to use for future purchases. So it's a really, really, really cool reward system. I mean, I love getting rewards back. If you think about it, Target gives you, what, 5%? Back off your purchases. So 20% is hefty. There's a ton of things that we've gotten to try just because we've had a lot of rewards points. And that's how we get to try new products and stuff like that. So it's really, really cool. The other way that Essential Rewards rewards you is through their promotions. So every month, the first day of the month, they'll release what the promotions are for the month. And so there's basically, it varies for a month, but usually it's like starting at like $100, you get special promos. So there's usually like 4 to 6 promotional items a month, and you can qualify for them based off of your purchases. But so that's another awesome way that we've gotten to try new products. We've gotten to try oils and supplements and even some of the Thieves line through Essential Rewards. So you can get up to like $300 worth of free products every month. You get reward points back to your account. And you get all of your favorite oily things that you order. So Essential Rewards is amazing. Literally everyone that joins our team, I tell, don't miss out on this. This is literally the game changer. This is how you can transfer all of your products over to safe and clean and natural products without having to spend a fortune at one time. It's an amazing program. So that is the basics. Of course, you have to be a Young Living member to order an Essential Rewards box. So first you need to become a member. You can do that by either starting with a premium starter kit or a basic starter kit. So just depends on what, I'll say this, you have many options. But what am I talking about? Sorry. My mind's all over the place. Anyways, premium starter kit or basic starter kit will give you membership. The premium starter kit, you can watch our other videos on those, gives you the 10 everyday oils plus a bunch of other stuff. The basic starter kit is $45. We'll give you the membership to Young Living, Stress Away, and then you can just add on Essential Rewards and choose which oils that you want. I will always say premium starter kit is the way to go because the everyday oils are everything. They're amazing, but you can check out the other video for that. So let me know if you have any questions about Essential Rewards that I didn't cover. I would be happy to walk you through it. It is pretty simple once you know how to do it in your account. But let me know if you have any questions. I have a ton of recommendations for how to get started with Essential Rewards. And that is all, friends. Sorry for that random little tangent in there.